Everyone thinks the best-selling transparent power banks are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max Blower. The DeWalt 20V Max Blower really caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of power. Priced at $113, it's positioned as a solid mid-range option. If you want a reliable blower that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. This leaf blower boasts a maximum airflow of 100 cubic feet per minute, which means it's designed to clear debris efficiently. The 3-speed variable speed switch gives you the control you need. Whether you're tackling light dust or heavy leaves, you can adjust the power easily. Plus, it includes 3 nozzle attachments, which is handy for different tasks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're often cleaning up tight spaces or have varied cleaning needs, this adaptability is crucial. Now, some people complained about the fact that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which can be a deal breaker if you're looking for a complete kit right out of the box. Here's the thing though, if you already have DeWalt tools, you might find this very convenient since you can use existing batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight blower that's easy to maneuver and has good power. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete package with batteries included. At $113, it offers good value for a solid performance. Now, if the DeWalt's lack of a battery bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Black & Decker LB700. The Black & Decker LB700, which is a corded option that stands out with a powerful 7-amp motor. This blower is lightweight at just 4.4 pounds and perfect for those who prefer corded models. If you want quick, effective cleanup without worrying about battery life, this is worth a serious look. The LB700 packs a punch with an airflow of 180 CFM and a wind speed of 180 mph, making it great for clearing out leaves, debris from driveways, and even sidewalks. The built-in cord retention feature means no more frustrating interruptions while you work. Here's why this matters for you. If you have a large area to clear, the power of this blower will get the job done faster than most cordless options. However, some users noted that being corded limits your range, which can be frustrating if you have a large yard or need to move around a lot. But honestly, if you're okay with using an extension cord, you'll appreciate the consistent power without worrying about recharging. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, powerful blower for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you need the freedom of cordless operation. At this price point, it's a solid investment for those who value efficiency. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an affordable cordless alternative.
Product number 3, MZK Cordless Leaf Blower. The MZK Cordless Leaf Blower is a budget-friendly gem priced at just $39.99. What caught my attention here is its lightweight design and the fact that it includes 2 batteries. If you want a simple, effective tool for occasional cleanups without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This blower features a powerful motor capable of reaching speeds up to 130 mph and an airflow of 450 CFM. That means it can handle a decent amount of leaves and debris without much fuss. The cordless design allows you to move freely, tackling everything from your yard to garage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for something that's portable and easy to use, this completely wireless setup is a game changer. On the downside, some users mention that the battery life is only about 15 minutes at maximum power, which can be limiting for larger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing small cleanups or touching up your yard, that's usually more than enough time. For larger tasks, you do have the extra battery. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, lightweight blower for small to medium cleanups. Skip this one if you have a large yard and need something that lasts longer. Given the price of $39.99, it's an excellent value. Now, if battery life is a concern for you, let's look at another cordless option that tackles this issue head-on. Product number 4, Ryat Cordless Leaf Blower, priced at $69.97. This one stood out to me with its dual speed settings and 2 batteries included. If you want versatility in your cleanups without overspending, this is worth a serious look. The Ryat features a maximum airflow of 515 CFM, which is impressive for its price. With 2 speed settings, you can switch from low speed for delicate tasks like clearing dust from windowsills to high speed for blasting away piles of leaves. Here's why this matters for you. Having that flexibility means you can handle different types of debris without needing multiple tools. However, some users noted that it can feel a bit heavier than expected at 3.4 pounds. While it's still manageable, it might not be ideal for extended use. But honestly, if you're using it for short bursts, it shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile blower that adapts to your needs. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for prolonged use. At under $70, it offers great features for the price. Alright, that was a great option, but let's wrap this up with a powerful corded model that takes performance to the next level.
Product number 5, Works Turbine 600. We have the Works Turbine 600, a corded model priced at $75.27. This blower caught my attention with its turbine fan technology, which promises serious power without the noise. If you want something that can clear large areas quickly, this is worth a serious look. The Works turbine boasts 600 CFM and a wind speed of 110 miles per hour, making it one of the most powerful options on this list. The 2-speed feature allows you to switch from a gentle breeze to a full-on blast, which is perfect for different cleaning jobs. Here's why this matters for you. If you have a lot of ground to cover, this blower can save you time and effort. On the downside, it's still corded, so you'll need to deal with an extension cord. Some people might find this limited, especially if they prefer the freedom of cordless blowers. But look, if you don't mind being tethered for the sake of power, this one is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need a robust blower that can handle big jobs efficiently. Skip this one if you prefer a cordless option. With its power and efficiency, it's a great value for anyone serious about yard care.
We've looked at the DeWalt 20V Max for its lightweight design, the Black & Decker LB700 for its powerful corded performance, the budget-friendly MZK, the versatile Riot, and the powerhouse Works Turbine 600. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your cleanup needs the best.